This is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first order of business is to download and install the free Caffeine app from the Play Store. Obviously, that's the tool that allows us to set custom values for the screen timeout option or parameter, and as well as set its value to never. So once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it, and in here all that is left to do is to make sure that the timeout parameter was set to be at the infinite value, and as long as you do not close the Caffeine app and it stays active in the background, or it is enabled in the, or rather visible at the list of recent apps, your screen should not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will do it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.